So do you want to track an object on Davinci Resolve 18 to get this result? You came to the right place, my friend. Let's get to it. All right, so go to Davinci Resolve and you get your like your base clip, and like this one here. So I have my base clip here, and let me play the clip for you guys to see what I've done here. Nothing too special. It's just me just wiggling my fat head around. You got the idea. And on top, I'll just put what I want to track. So basically my objective is when I move my head, okay, my other face is going to move along with it, okay? No. Okay, that's the objective, so let's get to it. So you put, this is my process here. So you put your main clip in the bottom, your image on the top. You select both tracks or both clips. You right click and you hit new fusion clip. Okay, now it's on the one single clip. You click fusion. And here I have everything in the fusion clip. So you have the end result, the merge, and both tracks. So to know which one is which one is MIDI 1 and MIDI 2, this is my process again. I just right click, view on, left view. So I know my top one is my original clip. So right click, view on, none, and right click, and I will click rename if I can find it, because I seem to be blind here. So let's go, that's main clip. And in the bottom, I will right click. Now then I know this is my funny face. Okay, now I know what is what, which is kind of nice. Cool. Now, this is my main clip. So this is the one I want to use. But if you notice, my funny face, it's in front of the clip. So I want to track my hat and my face, it's blocking that. So I just click on funny face. I hit shift space and I hit transform. I find for transform. Okay. Add. As you can see, this is in line with funny face and merge. Now I can move the face out of the way by clicking here, or using the right hand corner to resize it. But now my background face, it's fully exposed. Now I click main clip, shift space, I find for transform. Or let's try planar. It's a little bit more effective. So I will hit planar tracker. I will hit add, and there it is. Now the main focus here is on the right hand side. So I'm going to click set. I will roughly draw around what I want to track. In this case, it's something that is static. That is my Super Mario logo. If it was your hand, you can draw an X on your hand, or glue a post-it, something that you can actually draw around, and so that Resolve can find it and track it. Okay. Now you click set and you draw around the what you want to track as best as you can. Then I just click track. It is button here, track to end. This is going to track to end and doing this crazy stuff. So it's going to do its thing, and it's done. Okay, so it tracked the Super Mario logo on my head. I will going to click Create Planar Transform here. It's going to pop up this item kind of floating around. I will just make some space. Now I will hold Shift, and while holding Shift, I'll put it here, and he will get it in line. Well, let's try this again. Holding Shift. Okay, cool. And now if I hit play, it's kind of scary, but you see it's already tracking quite nicely. I use perspective, and this will make sure also that my fake face is also perspectively correct. But again, experiment to your liking. Now I'll just put my face on top of my own face. Let me put this in the beginning, which it is. Then I'll adjust the size. I'll put it again somewhere here. Then I'll hit play. Okay, maybe perspective it was not a good choice because I was flat on, but you get the idea. So you can just go to your tracker, and instead of perspective, you could just use transform, and it will not adjust for perspective. So again, experiments to see if it fits your liking. Now I'm just going to scream through this, and you can see, okay, here it faded a little bit. So I'm going to go to the funny face, and I'm going to go to my transform, make it a little bit bigger, a little bit to the left, and that should be okay. So again, just try your best to make it match as best as possible. Why am I laughing to my own face so much? I don't know. It's just really funny. Okay, now you know how to track an object, funny faces, animals, persons, logos, or anything else. Sometimes you see people only doing unboxings and it tracks the object with the labels beside it. So now you know how to do this. I'd highly advise you to experiment a lot with this tool and get it right for your own needs. I hope this really helps you. Like and subscribe also really helps my channel. Consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, guys.